What's up, traders? Welcome to another daily review. But before we get into it, this daily review is sponsored by Edgeful, so make sure to go check them out. It's as simple as this. I think every trader should be using Edgeful's reports to aid them in making better trading decisions on the trading desk. As simple as that. So let's get right into it. Yesterday was a solid day, 31st of October. It gets late in the evenings my time, so to do these daily reviews at 10, 11 o'clock at night, it does get a little bit tiring. So I'm doing the reviews the next morning. But yeah, solid day, up $1,700 across all my accounts. And October was a very solid month indeed as well. And I'm going to be doing a review video of October too. So make sure to stay tuned for that. But in a nutshell, here's what my October actually looked like. Even with 3 negative days, so 3 negative days, but I need to get better at my average losing day, similar to my average winning day. But I'm going to do that will be a separate video. But let's just speak about this daily review for the 31st of October. So let's go to my trades. And all of these trades, the Dow trades were taken on ASFX TV, where you can watch me trade every single day. The DAX was obviously taken in the London session when it predominantly moves. So I graded myself as a 5 out of 10 here today. And if you guys are watching this and don't know what a daily report card is, make sure to continue watching more of these videos that I put out. I've put out quite a few, but make sure to check them out because these are what you need to be doing to improve as a trader, right? So took these DAX trades. I was looking as you break through ADR lows. Poor trade. I was selling it right at low of day. And that's why I gave myself a 5 out of 10. Yeah, I gave myself a 5 because I did take a shit entry on the DAX in the London session. And then we come to the New York session and we get the breakout. We had inflation news on the USD, United States dollar, indexes coming down. So that is why I gave myself a 5. Right? But if we come to the Dow, I did take this trade live on ASFX TV. And this was a pretty neat trade. Breaking through ADR lows, below previous day's lows, and very, very neat trade. I do encourage you guys to also have a playbook. I was working with some of the guys yesterday on some coaching calls and also speaking the Black Shirt Club Live, our private mentorship. And I was saying, what are your actual trades? What are your playbook trades? Because any trader can come on and actually say, this is looking bullish, let me buy. This is looking bearish, let me sell. But what is your actual entries? What does that actually entail? And I want to push you guys to go and look at that yourself, right? Have a playbook, come up with a playbook and actually know when you actually want to be buying, when you want to be selling, and what do those trades look like. Right? For me, I use previous days highs and lows and the initial balance stats from Edgeful. Both of those, I use those reports. So we can actually go over those reports over here. If we come here to my favorite section, here's the previous day's range report. Let's go to futures and let's go to the ES mini, right? A lot of traders trade that watch me, right? Let's go to the previous day's range report by standard and let's go year to date. By standard, right, the previous day's low is taken. If it's broken, 76% of the time it closes a red day, and vice versa for bullish day. But then some weekdays have different gradings, right? Different reports. So really, really clean why I was looking to short the DAX, even though the first entry was pretty poor. We were below previous day's lows, same as the Dow below previous day's lows. So that's something that I love to use in my trading. So that was my day yesterday, a very solid trading day, clear market structure using previous days. This is a previous day's low trade setup of mine, continuation on both of these pairs, assets, indexes. And but yeah, solid October. Stay tuned for some more videos. If you're watching this on Twitter, give it a like and share. If you're watching this on YouTube, like and subscribe. And we look forward to many, many more daily review videos and using Edgeful statistics to make money. Cheers, traders. Have a good one.